How to make it look beautiful with color LED light. In this video, I will tell you about how to make it beautiful using LED lights that can be adjusted in color. First, let's take a photo using only a 50 cm circular LED light. The color temperature of this light can be changed, but it is set to a standard 5000 Kelvin. Bring the light as close as possible. The light is soft because it is close to the subject. It is beautiful with simple one-light lighting. Next, we will use an LED tube light that can be changed color. First, set this light to red on the left side. The circular LED light is the main light shining on the person, and only the face is a normal color. The rest of the image is interestingly pastel red. The circular LED light is used as the main light, which is a key to making the image look beautiful. Next, turn off the red light. Then use another LED tube light on the right side. Let's change the color of this light to blue. It is super cool blue image. The key is to have a normal colored circular LED light shining on the face as before. Finally, let's turn on the red LED tube light on the left side. The left side is red, the right side is blue, the neutral light on the face and the mixed light is purple. Interesting, isn't it? As I have said many times, the key to looking beautiful is to use neutral colored LED light on the face. It would be interesting to change the intensity and color of each light. If you are interested, please try getting these lights.